the dancing dump truck.
If you are tired of looking for that job that isn't there, I am talking to you. And if your job doesn't treat you fair, I am talking to you if you don't love yourself.
Hey, cool move!
Who's that?
Hey, you aren't invited here.
Come on, be a good sport and let me in on the fun! Hey, where did you go?
Save me, brave warrior!
There's no use crying now.
The world belongs to Vance, the evil overlord. Not so soon, evil overlord Vance.
Are you Junk the warrior?
No! How did he get past our 10 million men?
I will have to teach him a lesson myself.
Take them on, Blue Cop!
Oh, June.
At your service, Princess Anna.
Thank you very much, June.
Princess Anna, one little kiss on this cheek too, please. Hey, Mom. Good morning.
Don't you good morning me. You promised to help out at the restaurant, remember?
Right, I just remembered.
June, here's the cheeseburger.
Yes, Dad.
Table number 2.
I got it, Dad. Hey, here's your cheeseburger.
The coffee here is the best in town. I'm not kidding.
That won't get you a refill, officer. Welcome. June, I think they're here for you.
For me?
Come on in.
Good day, ma'am. Vance and Lavi? What are you guys doing here?
What do you mean? This is a restaurant. We're obviously here to eat.
That's not it. Come here, we need to talk.
But I'm... welcome. We have a corner table for 2 right here. What is it then?
It's about the robot that took you away.
What robot?
Don't talk to Goy now.
We know what we saw on that bridge over the waterway.
Well, it's...
June, please keep this a secret between us.
secret?
If people of Earth find out about the Metalcarbots, they will get frightened. I don't want to cause any trouble.
Don't worry, I promise. We're going to middle school next year. It's so crazy! Anna would laugh at us if we were to go around talking about robots.
Vance did say that last time.
Oh, shut up! I'm leaving.
But Vance, don't you want to eat first?
Have a good day, lady.
Hey, don't you want a smoothie before you leave?
Yeah, then I can have a strawberry. Maybe next time. Wait up, Vance.
What were they here for?
I have no idea.
A giant robot has been seen at a car park under an overpass last night.
A giant robot?
From the black box that has caused uproar on the internet. According to an eyewitness, a dump truck approached him and their friends who were dancing at the scene.
Wow,
Tried to
that
make
video looks so
conversation,
real.
then transformed into
You can
a
do a lot with
robot
CGI
that
these
started
days.
to dance.
Yeah, it looks like a movie.
I heard the new Max Force movie is coming out soon. What say I take you to watch it?
Oh, my dear!
Yes? Oh no!
This is coming out of your pay this month.
Not again!
No doubt about it. That's Mega Trucker.
Right?
I told him so many times to lay low and not try to be seen by the people on Earth.
What are you going to do? This already has 1 million views. It's gone viral.
He won't listen to me anyway. We'll just have to put him under a seal.
A seal?
You can seal a metal cardbot in its metal card using the power of the metal breath. In the meantime, I have to go talk to Mega Trucker once more.
Yeah, but to do that, we'll have to find him first.
Right. Could you procure a large speaker?
A speaker?
I think I have an idea.
I guess I'm awake now. This will be over before school, right?
For this plan to work, we have to do it when no one's watching and while it's quiet. I'll make you coffee if you're sleepy.
I'm too young to drink coffee. Wait, you know how to make coffee?
Mega Trucker loves music. His favorite is música latina. He can't help to dance when he hears that sound.
How about that?
That's perfect. Let's turn up the volume.
All right. Don't you think this is too much?
Not loud enough.
This is just my kind of music! Ha ha!
He actually showed up?
Let me in on the fun! This is great! Step on the gas and let's dance the night away! Yeah!
Mega Trucker, I told you to lay low and not being seen by anyone. Why can't you listen?
You can be boring if you want. I live my life dancing and having fun.
Jun, careful!
Hey, bring the music back!
I can't let you destroy Ito's repair shop.
Who's this kid anyway?
We have lost our home planet and have no choice but to live here. We must learn to live with the natives, like this boy.
Shut up! Don't you tell me what to do ever again!
Blue Cup! Blue Cup, are you alright?
We have no choice. We'll have to fight him to put him under the seal. Jun, time has come for us to fight.
So it's come to this. Stay calm. What should I do?
Mega power tackle!
All right. Look out, look out!
Jun, now!
Look up! Set up!
Huh? So you know how to hide!
Thunderbolt smash!
Thunderbolt smash!
Sorry.
You're pathetic! After all that talk, you can't do anything, can you?
Jun, I'm okay. Just give me the next command.
Look up! Burst shot!
Bird shot!
Great! Burst shot! Burst shot! Burst shot! Burst shot! And one last shot! Mega Bolt Punch!
Mega Bolt! Punch!
No? All right. Metalcardbot, change up! Mega Trucker, seal!
Well done, June. You did it.
Mega Trucker really turned into a card.
Yes. It's been sealed in the metal breath as a metal card. You can summon Mega Trucker anytime you want with that card. And give him commands, too.
What's going on? What happened here?
Oh, Mr. Ito!
This is bad.